So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to flash any custom ROMs or ROMs based on MIUI or AOSP. So the basic needs of flashing a custom ROM is you need an unlocked bootloader, and to check if your bootloader is locked or unlocked you need to enable developer options by pressing your MIUI version until it says you're a developer. So let's go to additional settings and check our developer options is now enabled. And here we go, you see that your bootloader is already unlocked. This is how you check if your bootloader is locked or unlocked. And next step, if you are on MIUI, you need to remove your MI account, so that should be done. And if you're any ROMs based on AOSP, then remove your Google accounts and remove your password and security. Once all of these are done, we can do a reboot. And once that reboot is successful, okay, why isn't this going? It's just there, you can ignore that. Now this is the ROM zip currently will be installing in this video, which is the MIUI 22.5.1 MIUI SR. So once everything is proper and you have done a reboot after removing your password, security, Google accounts and MI accounts, we can reboot our phone into TWRP by clicking on reboot and keeping on pressing the power up button until your phone boots into TWRP. Once you see the TWRP logo, you can remove your finger from the power up button, and we just have to wait until your phone boots into recovery. Now all we need to do is go to wipe, advanced wipe, select your Dalvik card cache, then swipe to wipe. We just need to wipe our Dalvik card cache until and unless the developer mentioned us to delete, like wipe the metadata or data. We don't need to be doing this since the ROM I'm installing just needs the Dalvik wiped out, so I have wiped it. Now once you wipe your Dalvik, let's go to internal storage and select the ROM zip. Check automatically reflash TWRP, which will automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM. So let's swipe to confirm flash. The flashing is done. Installation took 200 seconds and the image flash was completed. Here the ROM is completed and here our TWRP got flashed. So in case you don't see this, that might be an error, so you might have to install TWRP again. So for that you can even be having a TWRP image in your internal storage, which I didn't have. So in case you don't do that, and you can connect your USB OTG like this. Once you have connected your USB OTG, we can go to home, install recovery RAM, advanced install recovery RAM disk, select storage, can select USB OTG, wait for it to get detected. You can see now it says now select your image, swipe to install. So once this is done, we cannot be accessing our data folder again, which means after flashing a custom ROM or any other ROM, we can't be accessing our internal storage. So we need to perform a format data. So for that, we'll be going to reboot and recovery, which will boot our phone into TWRP again. So let's wait for that to happen. So that is it. Your TWRP has booted. Now you can go to home. By mistake, I clicked this. So now once you have come here, go to wipe, format data, then you can type in yes, and you can click on this button, which will wipe out all your pictures and videos containing in your phone. So now once all of these are done, we can reboot to system. In some rare cases you will get error like no OS installed. Would you still like to reboot your system? Swipe to reboot, will get an option like that, so that would just be an error. So that is it. The ROM is booted. MIUI 13. The ROM I just installed MIUI SR 22.5.1. So let me just do a quick setup and show you the ROM. So that is it. The ROM has been set up. So I have to confirm to swipe into system. So let's boot into MIUI 13. So that is it. This is how the ROM looks like, and so if your custom ROM just booted and you don't like it and you again want to go to your stock ROM, and there is a video for that, how to go to stock ROM, how to revert to stock ROMs. And if this tutorial helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Comment if you have any doubts. Bye.